Now this is a dish that I have as part of my 2 meals a day, which I make sure consists of protein, fibre and healthy fats, whilst leaving at least 12 to 13 hours between the meal I had the previous day and the next day. I will begin to eat at around 2 to 3 p.m. I do this 3 times a week, and the rest of the week I eat breakfast as soon as I wake up. Eating this way is helping me to reduce weight whilst maintaining energy and balance of cortisol. I start by washing the chickpeas and then leaving them to soak overnight. I then go on to add sea salt and cook them until they become soft, roughly 1 hour on a medium hob. Now chickpeas are part of the legume family. They digest slowly and provide long-lasting energy due to their high fibre oriented, and they are rich in folate. And as kids, we probably didn't love that which fuels your body. Meanwhile, as adults, we think differently because we know that what you want to eat isn't what you need to eat. To fuel your body, less is oftentimes more and more is oftentimes less. So let's not wait to take advantage of these foods that massively improve our energy and massively improve our moods. By adding chickpeas into your meals, you can expect your body to release the chemicals that improve your mood, greatly reduce anxiety, better quality of deep repairing sleep, a more stable emotional state, and overall cause you to feel better all round. Last but not least, important is how it allows your body to release zinc into your system, which regulates your skin's oil production, which allows your body to create and to release sebum, which supports the immune function within your skin and helps control the bacteria on the surface of your skin, allowing your face to glow from